Hi there, just doing a bit of a video on the bottom drain system and filters. Just talk through, I guess, the principle of what I built with my new raised pond. So a sleeper built bottom drain. Sorry about the light, but there's a aeration ring just down there, which is bottom drain from Eco Filtration, and it's got a built-in aeration ring around it, and you can see the air line coming through at the back. That comes in by the corner just over there. So that's the bottom drain. So in principle, air pushes up and basically pushes debris out to the side of the pond, because the water enters the pond over there and circulates around this way. Everything that gets pushed out to the side and follows the water flow around the pond and back to the skimmer. So as you can see with the skimmer, everything that was blown onto the surface is now in the skimmer, and that's working really well. Coming to the bottom drain side of things, so bottom drain comes up just in the bottom here. I've got an isolation valve just there, and I've teed off. So basically the feed comes in through that pipe and up into my pressure filter as a pre-filter. It then runs from the pre-filter back around and into this filter. So as you can see with this one, that's pretty clean in there. I do have the drain in the bottom, just down in there, and I've got a valve just down in the bottom there, which I can use to backwash, and that comes out through this here. Off where the bottom drain comes up, I've put a T in, and this is so I can purge the bottom drain, and again there's a valve just down in there. So what I can do is I can open that one, open this one, and purge the bottom drain, just to clean anything that may start lying down in the bottom drain and the feed pipe. So in principle, it's a gravity system. I do have a pump which I've added in from the feed, just to draw from the bottom drain a little bit more. And like I say, that goes in there into the pump and then into the into the pressure filter. That flow is controlled by this, so I can control the flow into here. It's a 2-bay filter, so that runs into there. That then runs into the second bay. Then got this one down in here. Control that if I want to. That's 10,000 litres an hour. Comes up into a second UV. And then a valve on there just to control the flow back into the pond and put a little bit of back pressure onto this pump, basically because that pump is 8,000 litres an hour and that pump is 2,000 litres an hour, so just regulating the flow between the two pumps and the water drop that I get between the feed through the pressure filter of the first bay and the second bay. So in essence, the bottom drain takes it away, comes in over here into the pump, into the pressure filter, into the first bay, second bay, outlet, into this pump, back through into the UV, up through this valve, which is about quarter of a turn closed, in there, and then back out into the pump here. And as you can see, the feed runs around, so as I mentioned earlier, anything that gets on the surface from the air feed gets pushed out to the sides, and the water flow takes it back into the skimmer. I hope that helps. The air fed bottom drain, brilliant piece of kit, makes a big difference to the way your water cycles in the pond, and obviously the way that it draws from the centre of the pond out to the side, with debris falling back down. So in essence there's no dead spot, so there's a circular motion of water from the surface down the sides back to the bottom drain, and that's all the way around the pond, so there are no dead spots. And you've also got the water flow around the pond surface and back to the skimmer.